Greetings from Chinatown. This is the new route, NEIL. I'm walking towards Singapore's most haunted HDB estate, number 1 Spooner Route. I just alighted from Ocean Park MRT, so you may ask, why am I doing this? Okay, firstly, I'm very curious how the abandoned HDB estate look like. I mean, yeah, I saw it on the net, right? You can actually see the unit and go up and take a look. And secondly, I want to get a feel of the vibes there. So let's go. On the left side, there are some HDB, Block 2 and Block 3. Staying here in Mature Estate. Well, look at the bus, it's so crowded just now. And on the right side, there's a cantonment. I mean, it's a police headquarters. There's Central Narcotic Bureau as well. Oh, there's some kind of construction going on the right side. Look at that, man. Must be very careful when I walk underneath it. Wow. You know, the thing about old HDB is that, you know, so many units in one corridor. Very noisy. Wow, look at this, man. People actually stay here. I guess this is one of the areas where the rich people in Singapore stay, man. Very like heritage style, and it's so near to Ocean Park MRT. Look at all the big brands of the cars. Oh, amazing. Oh, they even can have a garden here. There's a lot of construction around here, so there are lots of like foreign workers. Amazing. I thought like foreign workers only is in the Punggol, Sengkang and Boon Lay. And what's this, man? Mizu Izayaka restaurant, Japanese. Oh, there's a double shop cafe. Coffee, I mean. Oh, there's a gym here. Wow, look at this. Peranakan Antique Shop. Peranakan Antique Shop, and this one, another Izayaka. Or Ikazaya. In this area, it looks like the Tanjong Pagar already. Similar kind of setup. You just look at this part, you don't look at the road. What they have outside, right? It's like Tanjong Pagar area. Little Korea town. Oh, they have some brighter dress. Golden 100 days postpartum recovery, you know, after like give birth, right? There are lots of stuff that can be done to improve the body again. There's a barber here. Bus 174. Oh, Domino Pizza. That's nice. And there's a kind of mama shop here. So here is Kampong Baru. Hey, there's an interesting 百年老店. It means 100 years old shop. Right here is another one. There's a renovation going on. This is nice. This is so near the airport. So Spooner Route is on the in front entrance left. We're walking for 15 minutes right now from Ocean Park MRT. Hey, there's a bus change. Here is finally number 1 Spooner Route, but the question is how to go in, man. Look at the estates. Nobody is staying there. There's such construction going on top level. Going in from this side route. So bad news. I think HDB repairing and waiting construction in front. But I'll take a look at the poster. There is some kind of other houses. You know, I can't get in. The block 1, which is the yellow building right in front. So you're going to demolish, you're going to tear out the whole building, man. From the HDB. And that one is block 2, the one we just saw, and the one beside is block 1. There's another notice. Demolition works for Project B at Spooner Road, HDB. So I guess I can't get in. But there are rumors of there are confirmed reports of people committing suicide there and then ghost hauntings. Well, I came too late. But I have another project, I have another place to visit. So stay tuned to my next video. Take care everyone and bye bye.